strategy. Okay, so we've talked about passive income or semi-passive income platforms, and then we talked about different platforms you have heard. And then, so trading, going to trading, we have different ways of trading: manual and robotic, hands-free or semi-hands-free or semi-automated. So platforms and the support system for trading crypto, spot. All right, we have crypto spot, we have futures, that's crypto futures, we have synthetics and forex trading. And of course, we have stock trading and all of that. Our platforms you need: Bybit, OKS, CoinW, PrimeXBT, 10Trade for prop firm, right? 10Trade. We have another prop firm now, so Trade Mastery or something. I think I will update it, Trade Mastery. Then synthetics. Why I love synthetic platform is simple. It's a crazy platform. Why? Because synthetics now allow me to trade all the 5 markets: crypto, forex, derivatives index, all right, commodity index, synthetic index, all right, currency, crypto, commodity index, derivatives index, and synthetic. So you can just do one jump shop. Okay. Then AI, both an AI support platform, we have the 3 commas, we have the Radium, right? We have the 3 commas, we have Trojan Bot for memcoin. So my daily choice, you have that give you access to Arca X to trade. Then we have youth trading bot, right? For DCA, then you have for Qubit that we just mentioned. Then platform you will need. So then networking. So marketing, you can do marketing in virtually almost all what we have taught on investing and trading, all right? So quickly you want to look, and then how do I actually trade? Then you need a tool. Number one, you need TradingView. It's free. Then you need like currency index strength if you want to trade Forex. So Forex Factory, currency strength meta.org. Then for crypto, like deal.net, right? Checking token DEX, and so DEX Trainer, CoinMarketCap, or CoinGecko. All right, so let's quickly look at it. To trade is very simple. If it's Forex, I have a lot of platforms. Okay, I even put it as these. Yeah, okay, here I didn't talk MetaTrader 4. Yeah, or MetaTrader, just call it MetaTrader. So MetaTrader, we have MT4, MT5, Trade Locker. So I'm going to show you all of those things and all that. So now, so look at currency. So currency, I've told you one thing. So if you look at currency, you have different ways to trade currency. Let me even use like Ubitex to experiment for you. I just told you about Ubitex. So to trade, I have different trading. All right. So look at trade. Okay. If I click on trade here now, so we have trade, right? So in trade, you have what? Spot, derivatives. Derivative means perpetual margin and all the like. So that means you are trading contract. So spot is that what you do is that you are buying low to sell high. For instance, when I was telling people to buy yesterday or day before yesterday, I can't remember. So if those fellow had bought this coin, let's look at it here to this point, they have done 4%. They can sell if they like to sell, depending on what to learn. So you're actually buying low to sell high. So in that world, you are not leveraging on anything. You are only buying the asset and holding it. You own the asset. So when the asset perform very well, like I told you guys that people who bought this asset before me, because they took advantage of it very, very early, right? So they have made money, and that is spot trading, okay? So spot trading requires you to be patient anyway, but that's the best type of trading that is highly conservative. So you don't, so imagine, so somebody who even bought at 14 cents. So if you look at it here, this fellow who bought at 14 cents, whom Holy Spirit, has done 1,141% up today. And that was when April 15, and there you go, is seated on this. That's spot trading. So, and spot trading have different style, even futures trading have different style. It has scalp, swing, and position. Like the person who is going to be using daily that have bought since that time now is a position trader. Now, sometime may go to like 4-hour time frame to be buying in at good period and then stepping out at still good period. That's a swing trader. So it may be there for several days, but less than 3 months. For instance, that swing trader who have traded, he had bought here, he sold here, he bought again here, now he sold here. So for instance, if that fellow bought here, let's look at it, and sold here, he has done 24%. He waited again for the market to crash enough because it's not a frequent trader. So he always move the biggest move, and that's what he target. Okay. So for instance, if you look at this same coin, I'm just using this as an example. So he was able to catch it here. So let us not say catch it from down so much. Now here you go, another 36%. That's a spot trading. Now, when it goes to future trading, which is derivatives, this time around, is betting the price of coin. Is betting the price of coin. So it's not buying the coin to hold, but it's saying, hey, the price is going up. I'm going to buy, and it's predicting. And the second advantage of future is that you can be buy and selling. I mean, you can be entering when the market is crashing, you make money. When the market is going up, you still make money. That's the difference. All right. And so that is futures for you. Now, if I go to my trading view, remember I told you I said you will need trading view platform to trade to trade crypto or to just normal trading as a whole. You will need a trading view platform. Of course, you need more learning and all of that. So this is an example. I have different strategy, right, for a beginner, right? So for a beginner, you don't need to over-labor yourself to how to trade and all of that. Look at BNB, for instance. This is one of the coin I'm trading BNB. I'm trading XRP. I'm trading PopCat. I'm trading BTC. I'm trading Ethereum. I'm trading Solana. And I think one other one, I think Bonk. Yeah, so these are coins in my area of interest, okay? So XRP, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Bonk, when and Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think about 10 on my radar. So now, if you look at it now, as a swing trader, this is 1 day time frame. As a swing trader, I wouldn't bother my and position trader. So since all the market was doing whatever thing they are doing, so a swing trader had bought BNB from here, for instance, and then to this point, that's about 21%. That's a swing trader and position trader. And that was when this buying opportunity came up on the 8th of August, which is not too bad. And that's a swing trade, right? So it can be on spot, it can be on future. And a swing trader don't use big leverage or lot size. So use like 3x, 5x. So let's use example. As a swing trader, even if I do future, to this point, let's say 20%, and you use 5x. So 5x times 5x, 5x times 20, that is already 100%. That's another investment strategy, right? And then if I buy on the spot, 20% of my money. So let's say on future, on spot, I can use $1,000 or $2,000 to buy it. So 20% of $1,000 is 200, 20% of $2,000 is 400. Then I can now take like maybe just instead of 2,000 or 1,000, I can take $200. Can you see now? This is the magic. I can take $200 and swing in here. So $200 into this is going to do so 5x. So 5x to 20%, that is 100%. So 100% of $200 is 200. So I've made more than even the spot, but it's more risky, right? So then if I use 10x, so 10x times 20 will be 200%. So the difference is that if you use, let's say somebody who uses $500 now or $1,000 to buy, and then 20% will give him $200 profit, which is not bad in less than 1 month. Now, if I use that same 1,000 to long this and at 5x, that's 100%, it's going to give you another $1,000. If it's 10x, it's going to give you $2,000. Okay, there are more to this. Okay, there are more to this. So that's why I will tell people that swing trader and position trader owns the market, even in forex. Now, scalping is part of the trading because now you are trading in lower time frame. So swing trader trade, lowest time frame they trade is 1 hour, right? 1 hour is the lowest time frame they trade. 1 hour is the lowest time frame they trade. So 1 hour, 4 hours, and all the like. So you can see if you are not a swing trader, if you're a swing trader, if you're a scalper, you will miss out of this swing entry because you will be scalping at that time and forget the opportunity that lie in, right? So if you are, so you can see 4 hour time frame, yeah, it's possible you are going to miss out of this, but there are things we do when market is crashing. We love when market is crashing because it gives us an opportunity to find a better entry. So for a swing trader who has been using 4 hour time frame, and then will have found an entry at this point, and of course, it's just to be trailing his stop loss. So by now, he's watching that if the market could break this. So what it's going to do is going to push his stop loss maybe above this point or here. He wouldn't mind to be seeing the money reducing, all right? So it's going to put his stop loss below here. And the moment this place crosses and turn it to support, you can see now that this is a resistance point, right? Right? So turn it to support. What would this person be doing? So it's going to move the stop loss below here. That's below this recent resistance that's been turned to support. And he can trade this down for the next 1 or 2 months and end up doing 100, maybe 1,000% of his $1,000. Yes, so you get me right. Now I can do 1,000% of his $1,000, 1,000% of his $100, 1,000% of his $200. Scalping is actually hustling, okay? So just you have time to be day trading and all of that. So you can do that. But for some of us who probably do not have enough time for that, then you wouldn't go for those scalping because it can be very traumatic. It can be very it can actually affect your psychology so much. So day trader go for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, and they scalp in. So they are what we call them sniper entry traders. So they are smart guys who have time to do like what is called smart money concept to find an entry where the market is going to look. But it will take top-down analysis anyway when the market. So those people make a lot of money too. But of course, they lose a lot of money. So at that point, while you are still waiting, hanging in, and all of that, somebody like that will have found an entry probably here, and you can even use 50x, so 150%, 3x, 3%, and all of that. So it's going to do that over and over. So that money he can turn it to in a week. He can turn it to something crazy, but he has to have the time and all of that. So if you look at it, this is so what I trade more frequently with those strategy is PopCat. So you can see what PopCat has been doing. And I think I will make the recommendation for many of our people that face PopCat and make a lot of money. So with that, so if I go back to the boat that we're checking the other time now, our boat on Bybit, you will see that the boat will have done more, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go. Where's the boat? All right. So let's refresh it. Can you see now? 13%, $7.65, okay? 13.636 and all of that. You get it now. So that's how this can be so amazing. So look at it. Can you see now? It's trading, it's massively trading. So imagine if it's $1,000 that was kept there. So you know what it would have done. So I don't want to have excuse from anybody, you know. So this is another one. So just like we're doing experimentation, aerodrome. So now, of course, you understand that some coins can be very slow. So ways of selecting those coins are important. You need knowledge, okay? So that's why you need to be in Plan B. So we're not going to be pushing you. Somebody will say, give me signal, give me signal. We don't do that in Plan B. Although when we just give trading ideas, say, hey, markets like this and all of that, you make the money by yourself. And then you can have rest of mind. It's about your rest of mind. Okay? It's about your rest of mind. So making the money. So you can see how, so trading. So now I'm going to the same thing, the same pattern we do on the crypto future and all of that is the same thing we do on Forex. So one of the indicators or most indicators or indices, let me call them. If I say indicator, most of you would look at the trading indicator on TradingView. One of the major indices I use for my market analysis is call it for me, is DXY. So DXY, and I told us, you can see when I've been talking about DXY for a very long time. So if you are not in our ecosystem, so there's a need for you to join because I do analysis, review market ideas every blessed Sunday. And that's going to help you a lot to have an idea of where we're expecting the market to be sometime. And so, and then we now harness and take advantage of them as much as possible. So now trading, oh wow, this is okay. Solana will explode soon. Now, so trading, if you look at it, DXY, we have been saying it was a rocking down guy. And then if you have been following me, if you have been on our channels, and that's more reason why you need to follow. So we said, look at it. This is the last hope for it. If it did not respect this point, then we are going floor. That's why we're going down to July low, July 2023 low. This is amazing. If opportunity in this space is so amazing, I won't lie to you. You just don't give yourself unnecessary stress, right? So gold, that's how we trade gold and all of that. So we have different platforms. So gold is still bullish, right? Just like Euro USD is still bullish. If you follow oh wow, finally we have meet up the target of Euro USD. This was a target I set since when? Since July, guys. Since July, we finally hit the target. Wow. Since July. And then that was when we're here. I say, okay, this is where we're going. Look at it. Come on. My goodness. So, oh, wow. Now, so, when you want to go into like over technical activities, that means you want to be scalping. So understand that because sometimes I see people who are struggling. I want to understand. I say, what do you want to use it for? So there are purpose for everything. So if you are a day trader who do scalping and all of that, definitely there's going to be a need for you to pay attention to so much kind of technical analysis to understand all those liquidity, money, smart money concepts. Say if you don't know where liquidity is in market, you are likely going to be the liquidity. So it's not a bad idea for you to go into understand, liquidity and where this line and all that. Bitcoin now preparing its way to $61,800 again. Before hitting about 62,490. Whatever thing is doing is its own choice. So that we just make the money. And so that's what I need. All right. So come on, look at Popcat. Man, I love this guy. This is crazy. Now imagine this, what we are doing here. We're equally farming it. Boy. I just hope somebody is going to learn. So we're now in 14%, guys. Can you see? God. This is crazy. Oh my word. So what I literally do in the crypto is that I use, God. So you can imagine now the same popcat we match to Solana and to be farming it. And then the same popcat we put into the boat to be trading it. And the same popcat we can be personally doing spot trading by yourself and future trading by yourself to make money on it. I don't know what to be our excuse. Guys, I have different strategy that can help you. But if you cannot pay close attention and simple instruction, well, so it's not a competition, it's a place where we want to make money, and that's what we encourage people to pay attention to and to make money. Okay, so enough of that. So let's take away. Then finally, so I have different platforms. So another support thing I need to give to you, I just remember that I'm going to show you something. Okay, so I think that should be enough for this. And so trading, said we have different platform for trading like MT5. Look at this one, MT5 for me, that I use for trading synthetics. BNB, you are tired. You are resting? BTC about to jump up. Solana. Okay. Volatility V25. Boom 1000. I'm sure you must have. Oh, wow, wow. Which one is this? V75 got supported at 200 EMA. Okay, boom. So I'm waiting for you downstairs at 200 moving average. So can find. So I'm waiting for you. It can spike anytime now. So what I do on boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300 is that I target the spike and not to sell the peak. That's one of the things most people don't understand. So if I want to sell the peak, I'll go on higher time frame. And so that's my strategy. I have different concept of trading boom. All right. So if you want to know more about that, I think you need to come into Plan B. Oh, wow. I missed out of this, and that will have been some good money. However, I'm not in a haste. So after the dump, we have to find a buy. Okay, so let's look at boom 300. Okay, so it's just doing what it's doing. So now this MT5 platform that you can use for trading. And then we have, I told you about the trade locker, right? Trade locker. Here is trade locker. Can you see trade locker? I love trade locker for one thing. It just helps you to BTC explosion. So trade locker is another lovely platform for trading. So you can view it like trading view and all the like. So I do a lot of things there, and so we can't have popcat here. Can be because it's a meme coin. Solana. What's going on? Network or what happened? Aha. What? So this is trade locker. I use it to trade future. I use it to trade different instrument outside synthetics. So that is currency, trade currency on need, right? Trade currency, trade sorry, trade currency, trade crypto, commodity index, and okay, all of those things. So you can see. So these are another platforms for trading and all of that. So I know a lot of you say, hey, this thing may be too technical. No, just understand simple thing. The latest version of the trade locker, click apply. Okay. Okay, so trading is amazing. All right. So you can see the strategy pattern people use to follow, in order to trade all of these things. And then you can just be at ease. Okay, one of the last thing I'm going to show to you is that there's a promo or something that's going on. You can't afford to miss this promo. Okay, but I will need to stop this. This is trading. Okay, trading. All right, so trading. So please comment on the comment section. You can chat up with me on +234 +234 90 470 44 and 998. My number on WhatsApp. And my name is Medasef Ali. You're welcome. So let's make money together.